y'all, so today is just a regular schmegular meal that I'm doing. Just chicken and macaroni. And I know some of y'all probably like, damn, she cooking chicken again? Like, that's all she know how to cook? But honestly, that's my favorite food, and if I want to keep cooking it, that's what I'm gonna cook, period. Don't argue with me, argue with your mama. So anyways, I'm just cleaning the chicken off. I put the tray in the sink. I didn't put my actual chicken directly on the sink or in the sink, whatever, because I know some of y'all probably like, y'all just food critics, I guess, and just want to judge people based on a damn video. But I know what I'm doing. I ain't never got sick, and I know how to clean my chicken good. Whatever y'all do, that's what y'all do, but with me it's completely different. I'm doing just fine how I clean and cook my chicken, so I'm good. But yeah, I'm just cleaning it off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning it. So these are all the seasonings I use for my food. I can't just do like 2 seasonings unless like that's the only thing I have left. But me, I like my stuff to have flavor. I don't like no bland ass food, especially chicken. So yeah, that's gross, and I just can't go out like that. So those are literally all the seasonings I'm using, and my chicken came out good. So I will list the seasonings in the description box. I got y'all. After I turn my chicken over, I season again, but this time I'm doing it lightly because I don't want too much flavor to overpower the chicken. So I'm just sprinkling everything lightly. I'm not going too heavy like I did the first time because it's already well seasoned.
Smart.
So now I'm going to take my flour and put it in 2 bags. I don't like putting like my chicken in a bowl and mixing it with flour. I like doing it in bags because it's just more quicker, and it covers the chicken faster if I just put it in a bag and shake it that way. So that's what I'm doing now. Now to start on my macaroni, I filled the pot up halfway, and I'm so mad because I don't have a clip where I added the cheese and my salt and pepper in it. I don't know what the fuck happened. I thought I recorded it, but apparently not. But yeah, that's the only clip that's missing, but I recorded everything else. It's just that, sadly. So after I put my chicken in, I forgot that I only cooked like a little pack. The reason why I did it that way at first was because I'm so used to like cooking like 2 packs at a time or something, so I'll have it like go all around the skillet, but I just fit it in the middle at this point because it's just like, what's the point of doing all that when they could just be close together? And now I have the macaroni pot going, and yes.
Start.
So now I'm draining my macaroni, and I really don't like too much water in the pot because it seems like when I do that and I put my cheese in, it just make the cheese like watery looking. So I try to get as much water out of it as possible, and if I need to add some, I will add that while I'm adding my cheese and salt and pepper and all that.